How to free up space on C drive. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So one of the easiest way is to open up your browser and search for Wiz3 and simply open this up. This is not a paid video at all. This will help you a lot. Simply open this up and download it, and it is free to download. And after that you will be able to view all of your device quite easily. The space each and every file is taking up, and all sort of files will be categorized to you, and you can just simply check them out and delete quite easily. This is a great way and the fastest way out there to check out on your files and what they are doing. And after that you can delete them. Just simply search for them. You would also be able to find the duplicate files quite easily, and this way you would be able to delete them as well. And in case if you want to export a CSV file, you can do that as well. So this is all for free, by the way. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.